Hello, this is Nothing Crochet, and I have an unboxing. Okay, I have to use these. I got a Vector knife somewhere. I don't know where. I'm trying to do this and sit down. Cause my lighting casts a really pronounced shadow. I'm trying to avoid that right now. Let's see. So that part. There. And bought myself a toy. Those right there. Nice box. I have to keep that. I've been watching videos ever since I ordered this. Try to abreast myself of what I'm in store for. And I think I have no idea. And this is what I have. Knitting machine magic loop loom more than a toy. Well, we'll see about that, won't we? How to open it. Tape. Come on. Let's see. Oh, now, good little. Okay. Let's see, what's it talking about? Easy knitting process. It's got a counter, handle. I think this is about panel knitting, tube knitting. Okay. Tension. The yarn, there's something with it. It's showing the different things you can make, like gloves, pumpkins. Okay. Hats. Alrighty then. Isn't that special? Let's see. Order. And I was really excited to get this. Tips before you start. There are 9 of them. Yeah, I don't like manuals at all. If I need it, I'll refer back to it. Oh, they give me some yarn. Oh, isn't that cute? Trust me, I got plenty of yarn. It's heavier than what I thought it would be. I need get a couple of C-clamps. And what was that woman said? She put a silicone disc in front of hers right there. And it really helped take on any type of yarn that was full weight. Yeah, it's a lot heavier than I thought. Let's see what's in this little pouch. See the legs. 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness, it's a crochet hook. Almost. I got plenty of hooks. Just one more won't hurt. At least it's in better shape than that one I got now. Or, what's that? Amigurumi here. Boy, that was bad. Ooh, I like him. There's this suction cup for the legs. Here's the tension. There's the yarn needle. Screwdriver. Here's the odd thing for my screws. They were right here. No, they wasn't. They're in here. Yeah, I was about to panic. And I think this is another yarn needle. I'm not sure. Looks kind of odd. Okay. Now I'm going to put it together. Well, that's scary looking. But in between where I changed colors was pretty good. Gonna take some practice. A few more videos. But I can see everybody getting a hat and a scarf for Christmas. I don't know enough to do a review, but I like new toys. And right there is where it was catching in the guide because the yarn was thicker. When I took it out, it did better. I see all kinds of stuff. Learning curve. It's a good one. This is more like the weight of my mandalas. That's going to be fun to use those in here. Okay. So that's my first adventure with a Sentro. I'm encouraged. Cool. bye.